Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report traffic in Waze, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app, then click on that yellow icon at the bottom of the screen. And now you should see the traffic option. This is the first one. And now you can select if that one is a moderate traffic jam or heavy or standstill. You can take photo as well. And you can add comment. So if you want to report a traffic jam, you have to click on the send and you are all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.